to North Beach, Maryland, Eastern Bay, until 9:45 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Smallwood State Park to 13 nautical miles northwest of Annapolis to near Key Bridge, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, motors and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Eastern Bay, Greenberry Point, Miles River, Naval Academy, Herring Bay, Highland Beach, Severn River, Roanoke, Bloody Point Light, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Mattapique, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, North Beach, Shadyside, Annapolis, Mayo, and Deal. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A special marine warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. For the following areas, Chesapeake